Hello, hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to do manual art in Illustrator. So now, opening Illustrator, I'm going to give create new, and whenever you do manual art, make sure that keep it square. Okay, keep it even, all the four sides. Okay, so just give create. So that is going to open 612 points on both sides. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a line here. So I'm going to create a line holding shift. I can click and drag, get a straight line. Same way I'm going to click here with the help of left mouse button, holding shift, click and drag and reach to the other side. So I'm just going to close this dockers which I don't want. Now I have created two lines using line tool. Okay, line segment tool. So selecting these two lines, now what should I do? I have to center it to the artboard. So selecting two lines, just go to the top of the property here, just click on the drop down menu here, just find align to artboard, just click here, and this is horizontally align center and vertically align center. So click both so that it'll come to the center of the artboard. Now what you do, just open the layer palette. So if I press F7, you see the layer palette will open, or else just go to Windows and find for layers. Okay, so here just select this two lines. Now after selecting this, just go to effect menu, go to distort, transform, click on transform. Here I want to rotate in 20 degree. Okay, so you can just make it accordingly to your need. Okay, here I'm just going to use 20 and copies to be 17. Okay, as I did before. So now I'm just going to give OK here. After that, this is the repetition, the copies, whatever I'm going to create here, that is going to repeat all the 17 times here. So now what I should do, just leave off the layer 1 locked. Just click next to the eye icon, you can lock it. Now I'm going to create a new layer from this panel. You see a plus sign here, just click, you create a new layer. Now again I'm going to take a line and I'm going to create a straight line. Okay, holding shift, the same way from here to here, horizontally creating two lines. Okay, when it is locked, you can always click, drag and select both the lines, okay, to in this layer. Now go here, just use horizontally center and vertically center. Okay, so now it is centered. Now what you do, just take pen tool or brush tool, whatever the tool you want. Just here I'm just selecting the brush tool. Okay, always you can just come over here, change the width profile and also your brush profile. So I'm taking the brush tool and I'm going to create a small curve. Okay, so after creating this will be created in layer 2. Just open that one. Okay, so you see three layers, one is path and two is line. Now click on this icon which is a target, drag, move appearance. So it's a whole, it will select, when you click it will select whole sub layers also. So selecting that, what you have to do, go to effect menu, distort, transform, then coming over here, just go for a reflect x-axis. This is going to reflect on the other side. So just click on this and give a single copy here. Just give OK. Now just go again to effects, distort and transform. It will ask you for new effects has to be applied. Okay, just click OK because you are going to apply a new effect. So click on that, it will bring up the transform effect here. Now again I'm going to make it 20 which we created for this, and here I'm going to make it 17. Let's see how that works. Yeah, it's beautiful, right? So now I'm just going to give OK. Now you can just go and create whatever you want. So here I'm just going to take a blue color. Okay, so if I'm just going to create something like this, so that is going to follow. Just have it like this, and I'm going to change the color to something pinkish. Just give OK, and I'm going to create this. And if you don't want these lines to be seen, just switch off this icons. Okay, so now you just go, you are free to move, and you can just reduce the brush size using the square brackets in the keyboard. Pressing open square bracket, it is going to reduce. If you're going to click the close square bracket, that is going to increase the size of the brush. So here I'm just using the open bracket, and I'm going to create the shape here. So you see how beautifully it is creating the mandala art. So where you can always go and change the color to whatever the color you need. So I'm going to use dark blue, selecting it. So I'm going to create a perfect circle. If you can always go back here, and you can also use ellipse tool here. Okay, so ellipse or square or whatever you want. If you want star, you can just easily create a star. So here you can just switch on this so that you can create at the center. See this? So you can understand where to create. Okay, so hope you enjoy this. So if you like this video, do subscribe, share it, support. Thanks for watching. Thank you.